Is it time to buy Verasity? In this video, I'm going to go through the charts and also through the fundamentals and anything recently that has to do with Verasity, VRA. So let's get started. What's going on, guys? My name is Sir Lewis, and if you guys love the best crypto videos here on YouTube, leave a like, subscribe, put that notification bell, join my free Discord, Invest to Rest Club, and also check out ZZ Money Club. It'll be all in the description below. If you can also, this is just my opinion. Please make your own financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor. So today we're going to talk about Verasity, VRA. And what's funny is that I've been talking about this coin for so long on my channel, and I've actually been talking about it when it was a lot cheaper than what it is right now, which is 0.013, basically 1 cent. And I'm gonna show you some TA here, what I think about the TA, because I do think that TA is important, technical analysis. But before I even start that, what is Verasity? Verasity is basically this esport and video entertainment platform that allows like live streaming, sort of like Twitch. But what's awesome about them is the fact that they have this thing called proof of view, which, as you can see, one of the latest tweets says that POV, which they do have a patent for, can prevent ad fraud, but also bots and NFT fraud. There's a huge number of applications for our unique technology. So I really like this technology, proof of view, because there's so much bots and spamming, and with the proof of view technology, it's gonna resolve that and bring that to like unique viewers. So you go right here to the website, which they did a revamp for, which looks a lot better. Some new updates here about the website is the fact that on VRA Wallet, which is their native wallet, if you guys want to know how to buy VRA, I'll probably leave it right here on the cards, but basically KuCoin is probably the best place. But what most people do is that they'll buy it with the VRA wallet and they'll stake it to get around 18.25% per year VRA rewards. It used to be 25, and then during March it went down to 18. Now here on their website, they do have a roadmap here, live chat for live events. There's just a bunch of really cool things here that they're gonna add to the platform. And what's awesome too is that they're having an NFT platform. Verasity is building a unique solution solving NFT fraud by authenticating the NFT art, the seller, and the NFT platform with a patent proof of view technology. Again, this proof of view is going to change the world, in my opinion. So let's talk a little bit about the price here, the price action right now, in my opinion, because I do think that TA is super important. So again, right here, looking right here, I'm on the daily, and I love these two indicators. If you guys don't know about them, the first one here is the MACD. I'll explain how they work. And the second one here is basically similar to the MACD, but it's a little bit more accurate, in my opinion. It's called the TSI. It's called the Truth Strength Index. And it basically tells you the strength and trend that it's going. So basically how they work is that the TSI, when the red is above the blue, so right here crossed, right? That means that the trend is going to turn bearish. And look, it did exactly that. So it crossed right here is telling you that the trend is going bearish. So what happened? Boom. Right? It was right. So these indicators, why I love them is that they're super accurate. And right here, MACD works the same way. It crossed right over here, similar to the TSI around the same time. And then boom, it turned bearish as well. And my third indicator that I love is order blocks. Order blocks is amazing because order blocks basically tells you these super important market orders of the day in terms of volume and high selling, usually institutional buyers or sellers that happen at that specific time. So for example, this one right here, this was a huge order block right here. It's basically telling you that this is bearish because there's a huge order block here that had a lot of sell orders. Basically, it actually tests that order block right over here around the 0.018, right over here, this huge wick up, and then boom, we go back down. And then right now we are at prices that are the same from 2021 of August. So in my opinion, is this the right time to buy? In my opinion, obviously not financial advice. I think the most clear, obvious thing here is that it can definitely go back here, right? If you guys can see on my left here, which is right over here, which is literally below a penny, 0.007. But again, in order for that to happen, Bitcoin has to continue performing bad. But I do think that this is most likely what's going to happen because I do expect Bitcoin to go to like 35, 33, test that again. And if it does that, unless VRA has some crazy life-changing news, it can definitely come more down and test this bottom right here below a penny. And the worst case scenario is if Bitcoin does really, really bad and VRA comes down with it and we go down to test this bottom right over here in 2021, March 2021, which is literally 0.002. So in that, my opinion, is if Bitcoin goes to like 20k or something, which is definitely a possibility. But looking at the price right now and how low it is, right, at 1 cent, it had a high of 8 cents literally 8x right there. For me personally, again, this is just my opinion, I would definitely be accumulating some right now, especially because I do like VRA and their fundamentals. But what I mean by accumulating is that I'm not gonna put my whole bag in this. I'm not gonna buy all of it right now. I'm just gonna start buying a little bit in chunks and see if it continues to go down to my resistance level, which is right over here. And if it does, I'll definitely continue to buy more. I'll probably say the time to ape in for me is if it goes back here to what it was before this huge bull run for it. Okay, but again, this depends all on factors of the fundamentals of VRA, if it continues to be the same, and if it only goes down to like this because of Bitcoin and the overall crypto market is bad along with the economy. So that's what I would do in my opinion. Again, not financial advice, but this is definitely a juicy price right now to start accumulating some VRA. But again, it doesn't mean that it's gonna stop here. It can definitely bleed more along with Bitcoin going down. And looking at all these platforms with so many spam and bots and stuff like that, VRA with their proof of view can definitely help this out. So yeah guys, that's Verasity. If you guys want to learn more videos on how to buy it and other videos about Verasity, I have them all up here in the cards that you guys can check out. But that's VRA in my opinion at the current moment. Again, not financial advice. And thank you guys again. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.